Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cookies using a gas oven. First, always preheat your gas oven thoroughly to the specified temperature, usually around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gas ovens can have hot spots, so using an oven thermometer is crucial to ensure accuracy and consistent results. Place your oven rack in the middle position. This helps achieve optimal heat distribution, preventing the bottom from burning while the top remains undercooked. Proper preheating is the first step to perfect cookies. Next, let's talk about your cookie dough and baking sheets. For the best results, make sure your cookie dough is at room temperature. This allows for more consistent spreading during baking, giving you uniformly shaped cookies. Always line your baking sheets with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. When placing your dough, leave about 2 inches of space between each cookie. This ensures they have enough room to spread without merging into one giant cookie, allowing for even baking. Now for the baking itself. Most cookie recipes call for a baking time of 8 to 12 minutes. Because gas ovens can have uneven heat, it's a good practice to rotate your baking sheet 180 degrees halfway through the baking process. This helps ensure uniform browning across all your cookies. Keep a close eye on them. You're looking for golden brown edges and centers that appear set, not wet. Overbaking can lead to dry, hard cookies, so pull them out just in time. Once your cookies are out of the oven, the cooling process is just as important. Let them rest on the hot baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This allows them to firm up slightly, preventing them from breaking when you move them. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. For optimal freshness, store your cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. They will typically stay fresh for 3 to 5 days, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.